Good morning. I have 3 short videos for you real quick on Chapter 9. We're going to expand that a little bit in my collection. And we're going to start off with finding the missing dimension on our area formulas. So this is fairly straightforward. When we have a missing dimension, first we need to identify what kind of area formula or diagram we have. And we have a parallelogram. Now right here is my height with the dashed line. Sometimes we'll draw that on the outside. Sound effects. We have our little dashed line. I don't do very good dashed lines with my pen here. And I can have my altitude out here. So watch out for that. So what we're going to do is, okay, we have area is equal to base times height, area of a parallelogram. And we're going to plug in what we know. So we know 90 is equal to base times height, or x. Okay? And to solve that, we just simply divide by 15 on both sides. Boom. And boom. And we know that h, or x, is equal to 6. All right? And that's pretty much it. Now let's take a look at another example. Now, our missing dimension on this one is actually our radius, because our formula for area is equal to pi r squared. And it was pi day the other day, by the way. And we need to find our radius. Well, we're given the circumference, and the circumference formula is equal to 2 pi r. It's also pi d. But since we need a r, we're going to use this version of our formula. Well, 2 pi r equal to 14, we know that r is going to equal to 7. So r is equal to 7. And we simply plug 7 in right there. And we're going to have 49 pi. And don't forget, we're going to expect answers in exact unless otherwise told. And 3.14 is not pi. Not in my classroom and not in any other classrooms at the school that I know of. So, exact when warranted. Moving on. Our last example, and there's different ways to approach this. Now, I have a picture here. We're probably not going to give you the picture, but because I'm instructing a little bit, we're going ahead and did that. So again, here's my height, dashed line, and we have 4. One base is 8. We're going to call that x, and the area is 40. So we're going to simply put what we know in our formula, 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times my height. And we're going to plug in what we know and find what we don't. So 40 is equal to 1/2 8 plus x, or x plus 8 preferably actually, times my height. And I'm going to solve this just like I was back in Algebra 1. Well, 1/2 of 4 is 2. So if I want to I'll go ahead and rewrite it. 40 is equal to 2 times, I'm going to put this in standard form, 2 plus 8. I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides. So I just simply divide by 2. That cancels that out. That becomes a 20. And I have x plus 8 is equal to 20. And of course x is equal to 12. All right? And again, there's more than one way to skin this cat, and some of y'all write your formula with all this divided by 2, and you would just multiply by 2 on both sides if you wanted to do it that way. All right, so moving on. Oh, that was the last example. Oh, I just wanted to show you the pretty rainbow I took outside my backyard. It was way cool, and it actually extended all the way over. It was a perfect rainbow. I couldn't quite see it all because I have a house over here. So I couldn't see all of it. And what was really cool is that the reflection in the pond right here, ducks were swimming right through it, and the ducks changed colors. Alrighty, see ya.